Hey everyone, I'm your host Kristen Gill, and today I have celebrity hairstylist and GHD ambassador Ms. Justine Marjan here with me. And she boasts such clients as Ashley Graham, Olivia Culpo, who is my hair inspo, but we don't have the same hair color, it doesn't matter, and Kourtney Kardashian, just to name a few. She's going to be showing us how to get some great short hairstyles. Let's get started.
Since you are wearing your hair straight, I think it'd be really fun to give you some cool waves using 2 different irons to get a really natural look. So I just prepped your hair with the Tresemme Micro Mist Hairspray in texture, just so we have a little bit of hold as I work through the hair.
What size are the irons? Because I know that's something I always struggle with. I go with like a 1/2 inch, and then I'm like Shirley Temple.
Ooh, no, 1/2 inch is too small. Unless you want to go for that look and you're going to do something really curly like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and section your hair. And I'm going to take pretty small sections so that we can get a lot of texture in the hair.
Okay.
And then I'm going to go ahead and start with the GHD Gold Styler. And I love this iron because it has dual zone technology, so it heats up in 2 places along the plates, so the heat distribution is really even against the hair, and I could style the hair a lot faster. And a lot of people don't know that you can actually create waves with the flat iron.
Yeah.
This has really nice rounded edges that glide through the hair that make doing waves super easy. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I relax the hair at the root, and then as I drag the iron down, I'm rotating the iron up. Then I release the iron, put it back in the hair under that curl, and rotate the iron in the opposite direction. So I get a really kind of relaxed bend in the hair, and then I'll kind of alternate that shape through the hair as I work around the head.
So you do the bottom layer on short hair, because some people won't do it. They'll just leave it straight underneath.
Yeah, I've seen that
short.
too, but I like to have a little, otherwise I just feel like the difference could be too harsh, and I really want it to blend into the hair seamlessly. So but you can see I'm doing like 1 bend. I'm not going in and doing a ton right here because no one wants volume at the bottom of their hair. So I just do a little bend just so there's some texture. So as I get to this next section, I'm gonna go in with the GHD Classic Curl Iron. This is a 1-inch iron, and I'm gonna use really small sections, and then I'm gonna curl the hair as I wind it up the iron and drag it down. This creates a little bit of a very soft curl, but just to switch up the texture between the flat iron and the curling iron. So this is something I love to do when I do messy waves or I do effortless lived-in looks. And as you can see, as I work the iron through the hair, I'm not holding it for a long amount of time because I really want this curl to be super relaxed.
Ooh, I love that. I'm like watching in the monitor, so I can
so
I know what to do.
It's super fast through the hair.
Yeah.
So it's like the smallest bend. I don't want to see curls here. I just want to see little bends and waves. Okay, so on the top section, I'm going to use the curling iron too because the hair is a little bit longer, so I have more to work with. But I'm going to go ahead and alternate with the curling iron and the flat iron. So each piece will be a different iron. What I love about using 2 different irons is you can really customize a look. You can alternate each piece with a different iron, you can alternate each section, you could do it randomly. I think it's really fun to just play around with what works for you and your hair type and find something unique.
Who has the toughest hair of your celebrity clients to work with?
Toughest hair? Oh my god, none of them.
None of them? Everyone has
hair
great
ever.
hair. Yeah. They have.
I think celebrities have hard hair.
No.
Oh my god, no one takes their hair more seriously.
Right.
Everyone I work with, people always ask, like, how does their hair always look so shiny? Or like, how can they switch from color to color? Because they do everything right. Like, they use great shampoos and conditioners. They use great hot tools. When they're not working, they're using hair masks. Like, they literally put in the time and the effort that everyone needs to get
that we all wish
great
we
hair.
could. Yeah.
You notice I didn't spray a heat protectant, and I'm
Yeah.
not worried about heat damage on your hair because the iron only heats up to 365, which is the ideal temperature for styling without causing damage.
Yeah, I always thought you had to use the hottest tools.
Oh my god, everyone does. It's such a myth. So as I work through each horizontal section, I'm alternating the iron that I'm using. And then as I'm curling the hair, I'm alternating the direction that I'm curling the hair. So I'm just kind of playing around. I think this is a look that you don't have to take too seriously. You can kind of play around with using different irons, changing directions, just having fun with it. So I section the hair horizontally just so I can get smaller pieces of hair. I do love to section vertically if I'm styling long hair, but with short hair, that's really hard to do. Okay. So as I get to this top section, I'm alternating the iron. So I'll use the curling iron and then the flat iron. So cute, I love this look on you. Okay, so as I get to this back section, because it is so short, I am gonna run the iron through the end so we get kind of a really blunt finish instead of it curling under. That'll just make it look a little bit more modern. And that'll reduce volume back here as well. And just do that really tiny bevel wave that we did on the underneath sections in the front. Just so it has a little kink, but it's not perfectly straight. Don't worry too much about doing the back of your head when you're styling. As long as the top layer looks good and it looks good around your face, you can fake the rest. And then as I work up the hair, because this hair gets longer, I'm gonna go in with the curling iron and alternate the curling iron and the flat iron. And then again, as I use the curling iron, I'm dragging it through the hair really fast, so I'm not getting too much of a curl. So cute, I already love this on you. So I'm gonna go ahead and break up the texture a little bit. I'm gonna use a pomade. Ooh. This is the Fat Boy Sea Salt Pomade. So it's kind of like a sea salt spray, but for dry hair and in a pomade form. So you can really work it through like a putty, and then I'll massage it into the roots. Oh yeah. And then work the excess through the ends and kind of just scrunch it in, get a really messy finish. Love this on you.
Oh my goodness.
Such a change.
Love it. I was mom bobbing before.
I love it. I know. Right.
I'm ready to hit the beach, maybe the club.
Right. And then I'll finish it with the Tresemme Micro Mist Hairspray and extend, just for hold. And that's the final look. Perfectly beach waved. Perfectly messy.
Thank you so much, Justine, for being here today.
I hope you love it.
I love it. This beach style is so me. I didn't even know it until right now. So let me know, you guys, down below in the comments. Are you going to recreate this look? And if you do, let us know. Please subscribe to ET Style, and we will see you next time with some more beauty and style inspiration.